In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT in WhatsApp 2026 Full Guide. Providing fast, consistent support in messaging apps can feel overwhelming, and recent WhatsApp policy updates make it even trickier by banning open-ended public assistant bots. The good news is you can still deliver smart, compliant automation by building a structured WhatsApp business backend that taps into ChatGPT responsibly. I'll walk you through setting up your WhatsApp business foundation, creating a visual automation workflow, anchoring a focused knowledge base, and sending polished AI replies back to customers in real time. First, establish an official WhatsApp Business API presence. Avoid old numbers and unofficial gateways that trigger blocks. Head to the Meta for Developers Dashboard, open My Apps, create a new app, choose Business as your use case, and enable the WhatsApp product. Complete the standard business verification so you receive your secure access token and your official phone number ID. Store those credentials safely and keep roles limited to what your team actually needs. Next, build your automation bridge so you aren't writing tons of code. Open a tool like N8N, BotPress, or AppyPie Automate and create a new workflow on the empty canvas. Add your first trigger and select WhatsApp Business Cloud API. Connect it with your stored meta credentials and set the trigger to on new message received. This tells the workflow to listen and react the moment a customer sends a message. Now route those messages into ChatGPT. Draw a connection from the WhatsApp trigger to a new action pointing to ChatGPT. Choose a current model such as GPT-4o. In the prompt or system instruction, define strict behavior to stay compliant and on brand. For example, act as an advanced e-commerce customer support coordinator. Use the incoming text string to resolve the user's issue. You must provide clear, concise responses under 150 words using bullet points, restrict responses entirely to our services, and completely avoid open-ended creative storytelling. Clear constraints reduce drift and protect data handling. Give your AI real context by attaching a knowledge base. In the ChatGPT action, add sources like customer service Notion pages, Shopify inventory data, or shipping policy PDFs. With vector retrieval, the model first searches your materials for relevant facts before answering, improving accuracy on orders, returns, and product details. Finally, send the result back to WhatsApp. Add an outbound action for WhatsApp Business Cloud API, choose Send Text Message, map the recipient to the incoming user's phone metadata, and set the message body to the ChatGPT output. Activate your workflow and your private AI responder is live. Handing off routing, FAQs, and lookups to a compliant WhatsApp and ChatGPT integration frees you to focus on